And I'd like to officially open session 3 of today's conference, which is on data security and artificial intelligence in healthcare. And I would just like to introduce each of the speakers briefly. So we have 5 speakers of today's session. The first presentation starts with Professor Cecilia Magnusson Sjöberg, who is a professor of law and head of informatics at the University of Stockholm. Her research covers areas of personal integrity and technical systems such as cloud services, digital methods for information retrieval, decision making, document management, and kind of legal and security issues related to electronic signing and archiving. We will then have Dr. Athena Burka, who is a data protection officer at the European Union Agency for Cybersecurity, ENISA, who has a detailed background in IT, security and privacy, and a PhD in electrical and computer engineering from the University of Athens. Our third presentation will be from Dr. Dara Hallinan from Fitzcarraldo. Dr. Hallinan studied law in the UK and Germany and has since 2011 been a researcher at Fraunhofer. And the focus of his work is on the interaction of law, new technologies, particularly in the context of ICT and biotechnologies in society. And he wrote his doctoral thesis on feeding biobanks with genetic data and the role of the General Data Protection Regulation in the protection of genetic privacy and research in biobanking in the European Union. Our fourth presentation will be by Jan Schallenburg, who is a lawyer at I-Rights Law. He studied law specializing in European international law at Marburg and in Berlin before joining I-Rights Law. He was also employed with the Data Protection Authority in the federal state of Schleswig-Holstein before being tasked with working at various European research projects with a number of big tech firms and other universities such as University of Oxford, Leuven and Frankfurt. And then our final presentation for session 3 will be from Dr. Frutzina Molnar-Gabor, who is a junior research group leader at Heidelberg Academy of Sciences. Her research focuses on medical and data protection law, international and European law, and comparative public law. And she received her PhD from Heidelberg University for a thesis on international control of biotechnology. So we have quite a range of speakers and kind of interdisciplinary speakers.